What?
Another Samsarina. This team is very good batsman Manish Pandey, and the pitching is very. I think Kundaman's batsman not fast ball. Ball is not well.
Okay. Thank you. This is a stump. What is this?
When the fly is flying, one fly.
Okay. Thank you. What is this color? This is
Very dry and fast bowlers, seam bowlers, and very good ball. Not spin ball, batting pitch. I think
it's a common pitch. It's fast and spin balls also.
Yeah.
It's a batting pitch. It's not a 6 line or 4 line. It's also kidding.
Rose it.
One minute. I will call you back.
Indian pitch and Taipan is a very good pitch. And
The first
not
match is Tonnanguri Riders and the Parakandam Warriors. The first match in the Tonnanguri Stadium, International Stadium, in the gallery.
gallery.
Oh, come on.
I think it's very good batsman and
Parakandam
Muri
Warriors is
and
now.
Sujit and Surendran and Sakati.
Which is the table?
Which is good batting. Nitish Parakandam.
This is good.
Not bad.
Very good batsman. So
Not bad bat. And puck ball out and Siraj.
What? Team. What is this? This is a pitch. What is the table?
This pitch is not only but also kindly recharge.
Pitch and Tondaguri.
That pitch is totally is perfectly alright, but I know this is the underground pitch.
Thank you.
Okay.
This is a pitch. Pitch.
Team Parakandam Warriors, Ranjit Parakandam.